Shopify allows you to export your full inventory, products, variants, quantities, costs, etc. as a CSV file for analysis, backups, or importing into other systems. Step-by-step guide. Log in to Shopify Admin. Go to your Shopify Admin dashboard. Navigate to Products, click Products. In the left sidebar, you'll see your product list. Export Products includes inventory. At the top right of the products page, click Export. In the pop-up window, Export, choose all products or select specific ones by checking boxes first. Export as, select CSV for Excel, Numbers, or other spreadsheet programs. Inventory. Make sure the default selection includes all fields. It does by default. Click Export Products. Download the CSV. Shopify prepares the file. Takes seconds to minutes for large catalogs. A notification appears. Click Download Export File or find it in Notifications bell icon top right. The CSV downloads to your computer. What the CSV contains: key inventory columns, handle, title, variant, SKU, variant inventory, QTY, variant inventory policy, variant fulfillment service, variant price, variant compare, at price, cost per item, etc.